Spyderco Rex 45 Native Chief with the burnt orange scales. Long overdue from, I forget which reveal it was. I think it was 2 reveals ago. Over a year has passed. This is the last of the Rex Sprints. Kind of late to the party on this. My usual vendor, where I always try to get them almost first, just didn't have it for almost a week. You know, just the way it goes sometimes. So that's these have already been dropping for over a week. $171.50. So Knife Center, well, obviously, which takes pre-orders, but hopefully they should have some extra. Blade HQ and DLT, just to name a few. I think there's obviously more out there, but these have not dropped. So I don't know if these do it over the weekend. So you still have time next week to watch these 3 sites. And once again, there's a lot of other sites out there. I just don't know which ones have dropped and which haven't. If you go to the Spyderco forums on the lookout thread, I think they tell you, they could see which ones have released this week. And just like I was estimating, the blade is sticking around a little bit longer because of, one, the length, and it's just not the popular, Para 3 little native shaman paramilitary 2. So it's kind of a niche knife. So if you wanted a Rex 45 blade and you weren't able to get any of the Manixes or any of the other ones, this is your chance, because they are sticking around. When I say longer, I mean up to they were at the SFO, the Spyderco factory outlet, for 8 hours the first day, and then they were out of stock, and they put them up again. I think they were there for 4 or 5 hours again. So the big thing on this knife, 9.8 inches, the cutting length. Cutting edge is 3.58. The blade length is 4.08, so make sure you know your local knife laws. The big thing here too is 3.9 ounces. It's a very lightweight knife. Just a great blade. I've been carrying the Native Chief, the regular version, S30V. I had a mirror edge put on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a great knife. I mean, I have a Rips Garage Tech titanium clip coming for this. Stonewashed. And then this is obviously the carbon fiber Sprint that dropped 2-3 weeks ago. Some of these are still available, I think, out there. So if you're interested in this one was $245. So I just wanted to get this video out there to give you a heads up if you didn't already know. And I ended up with 2 for whatever reason. I ordered one and I didn't think it was going to come through. And I got another one. So not a big deal. I'll trade it away. But if anybody on the channel is interested, just hit me up via email, knifevideochannel.com. Just an all-around fantastic blade with a knife with just a fantastic blade steel if you haven't used Rex 45. Here's the paperwork. I actually have the whole family now. All these last Sprints, the Manix 2 lightweight, the G10, the Native 5, and then I also have the 3, paramilitary 2, the Para 3, and the military from the first runs. So I'll probably do like I did with the Maximate. I'll probably do a Rex 45 family video, a quick one just to show them all. If anybody's wondering, these knives, I'm not into flicking knives, and I've actually had, believe it or not, people comment negatively that I open the knives like this. I go out of my way not to flick them because I just get so tired of watching a guy trying to show a knife for 20 minutes and he's just constantly flicking the knife. But yes, you can flick a big blade that's a lockback. It's not an issue. I just think it's kind of funny that they're going on. He's calling me out for opening the blade with two hands. It's just funny what people come up with out there. So the Rex 45 Native Chief, burnt orange scales, available now. Have a good weekend.